Well, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ClouDolus YouTube channel, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about deep dive into Git architecture. So last video we are discuss about Git architecture in theoretical way. So today we are going to in deeply Git architecture. So how to Git manage your source code in the Git. Before start in details, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget subscribe. So first of all, we are going to describe a slot by slot, which is the Git architecture flows. So there have a 4 pillar of architecture. So then number 1 is a working directory, and number 2 is a staging area, and number 3 is a local repository, and number 4 is the remote repository. So these are the 4 Git architecture flows. So definitely we are going to describe in details. Number 1 is a working directory. So what is the working directory? This is a local machines which is include your app project folder, also a file, so like as index.html, css file, and app.js file. So these are the file include and content in your local machines with the project folder. So this is the call working directory, and a local machines which is like as your PC, laptops, and any kind of virtual machine. So this is the area working directory. Then next is staging area. So this area have changes are prepared for committed. So after the add your commit, then changes are prepared for commit. So these are the area in your commit storage with the changes and prepared to commit. So next stage is the local repository, also called is .git directory. So these are the area where all version control data is stored with the content object like blobs, trees, commit, and tags. So these are the all kind of changes included, update features, and in your commit all kind of informations included stored in this area. This is the call git directory. So before final push into the remote repository, this area have storage in your commit with the informations. So next number 4 is the remote repository, also called is a server hosted and centralized server. This is the stage centralized server where the repository is hosted with the GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. So these are the main 4 pillar of Git architectures overview, and then we are going to step by step what is the working procedure, how to manage your source code in Git. So first of all, these are the file are edited, and finally when you are made the change, then go for the next stage, staging area. So use this git command, so git add command. So using this git add command, then your commit go to the staging area for prepare the commit. So after the changes all committed, then go for the git commit -m into the local repository in .git directory with the version control data with the any kind of object informations. So after git commit -m, then if you want to directly working directory to the local repository wants to commit your code, then using the code commit -a. So this is the command how to directly working directory to the remote repository commit your code. So after then all kind of changes and included update features, so all information included with the version control, then push the commit into the remote repository. So this is the command git push. After all kind of changes included with the version control information, then push the code commit into the remote repository centralized server with the GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. So this is the hostage zone and hostage with the GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. And then when need any kind of revert and changes, also with need any resets, then using git reset. If you git reset using this command from local repository to working directory, directly revert your code into the local machine. So using this git reset for revert your code. After finish your changes and updates with the update features and any kind of modification with the code, then you will see the differences. So need to see what the difference between working directory to local repository code information. So if you want to see the differences between working directory to local repository code information, then using git diff head. If you want to see the differences working directory to staging area, then you go the git diffs. Using this git diff, then you will see the working directory to staging area differences code information, so latest status. So after this, see the differences, then you have to need your latest and update code for the working directory, then go for the git phase. So if you need a remote repository to a local repository latest update code, then using the git feed. So when you use the git feed, then you get update and latest code from remote repository to local repository. So when you need your code from remote repository to working directory in your local machine, then go for the git clone or git pull. So if you using this git clone or pull, then you get the latest and update code from remote repository to working directory in your local machines to prepare any kind of edit and modification and update. So this is the overview, git architecture overflows, and how to work and how to manage your source code from working directory to remote repository for team members and open source projects. So this is the steps and in-depth overview. So if you have any question about whole discussions with the git architectures, then definitely do comment your comment section. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comments, and don't forget subscribe. That's for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.